哪里看我的手机受不了。那开的。
明显的能发现领口的连续反出的这个效果很好，然后转入体的程度有所下降，它的转接速度也提高了30%多。第三个，我们的工具产品我介绍的是防盗破钻体。防盗破钻体它是主要是用到一个这产品介绍的是修顶部分，修顶部防盗破钻小点暗示。
你说话，你说话，你说话。
一个跳转的一个
Hello, my name is Danish. I'm from Brightway Energy. Can you hear me well? Hello, my name is Danish. I'm from Brightway Energy.
真转倒转，它绝不会反人脱裤的，所以说在修。
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Danish. I am from Brightway Energy. I am overseas project manager and technology engineer here in Brightway from the last 2 years. So today I am going to give you overview of Brightway Energy Factory. So we will start with this achievement wall. So this is Brightway Energy. So we are operating in more than 70 plus countries, and we have 11 subsidiaries branches, 20 global agents, and we have more than 100 plus property patents. So actually, our company was established in 2012, and the factory is located just near to Xi'an, which is the ancient capital of China. So as an innovative and diversified industrial development groups, we provide solutions spanning the R&D and manufacturing of high-end oil field equipment. We do cross-border trade of crude oil, refined products, oil and gas engineering, and technical services, oil and gas field development, and all related equipment and services. So we can see this map. On the map, you can see where the Brightway is doing business. It's all over the world. You can see in the America, we have our American branch. We are doing business in Argentina. We are doing business in Brazil. So we are doing business in Central Asia, South Asia. We're doing business in Middle East. So we're doing all over the world. So these are some of our certificates of our different branches in different parts of world. For example, American branch, you can see Nigerian branch, India branch, and also Russia branch. So these are our qualification and honors. So we have all the basic certificate required for oil and gas equipment development and manufacturing. For example, API, ISO, and we have all other certificates of different products, CE certificates. These are the CE certificates of European Standard Certificate of different products. So we have other local certificates that were awarded by the China government or some provincial governments. For example, qualification of solid control equipment technology center, national high-tech enterprise, expert, skilled, unique, innovative enterprise, and AAA level credit enterprise. So as I told, we are doing R&D. So and we started it from 2012, and now we have more than 100 patents. That's mean we develop the products and we apply for the patents, and we have that rights of that products with Brightway. So our our corporate culture, we have some statements about our corporate culture. First of all, corporate mission, pioneer of advanced manufacturing technology, and then corporate purpose, that's good attitude and bright future. Brightway philosophy is create value for customers, create benefits for shareholders, create perspectives for employees, and create employment opportunities for society. So, corporate values, that means pragmatism, innovation, and transcendence. And security outlook, life is priceless, safety is supreme. So these are the statement of our corporate culture. So these are some pictures from our picture galleries with different clients and for different activities. Also, this is from Angolan embassy. This is from Pakistan embassy, and this is from the project we did for KDC. So other pictures, this is for the RIG project we did in Central Asia. So we can also see different pictures from our annual gala we have every year. We have annual gala, and we can see also some pictures with different clients. So these are our important customer, but this list is not complete because of limited space. We have more than that, but you can see we have all the big global oil and gas companies here. We have Aramco. We manufacture solid control system for them. We manufacture for ADNOC. We manufacture for ADES. Similarly, Indian national company ONGC, PSO. So at that point, we have done business with all the national oil and gas companies all over the world. You can say Africa, you can say Asia. So we are doing business and we are growing and we want to grow. So for other than foreign companies, we also have all the national Chinese companies, also local big names here. That includes China Petroleum, that includes Sinopec, that include CNOOC, and also LS Group, Bomco Group. So we have all Jerry, RJ. We are doing business with all of these groups. So this is something special what Brightway has done, other company has not done yet. So you can see this image. So that's a 100, that's a 10,000, 15,000 meter actually. So we did the drilling up to 15,000 meter. So actually, what I'm trying to say, we are the part of project. In that project, the drilling has been done up to 15,000 meter. So just come to here. So you can see this one is the drilling rig that was manufactured in collaboration with Brightway, that has done the job of doing drilling 15,000 meter. So you can see all the mud tanks. This all portion is manufactured by Brightway. So and this is the only one system they allow manufactured for 15,000 meter drilling. So as you can see, the first created deep underground high temperature purification system, the first created multi-field multi-substance collection system, the first created full solution, full system, fully made in China. So, for this achievement, the chairman of Brightway company, Mr. Liu, he was invited by the CCTV, Chinese national TV, and he explained all the challenges we went through, and after all the challenges, what we have achieved now, and what we want to achieve in the future. So the theme of the theme of interview was, we are ready, we are going to achieve more goals, we want to touch the sky, this is not enough for us. So you can see uh, this map. So right now we are in the Brightway factory, which is new factory. We have one factory before. At the moment we are using that factory as our warehouse. So we have this new factory, and just close to this factory we have planned for another area, another manufacturing facility. So that would be, we would be doing very soon in the near future. So this is on our plan. So we already have the place. So we are going to do it very soon. So let's go to the manufacturing facility. So you can you can have a big picture of our factory. We have one warehouse here. We have next warehouse. We have next warehouse. We have like 5 warehouse in this section. Please come here. So you can see there are different machines. So they are performing different jobs, different processing jobs. So this one is Can3 Machining Center. So this is used for doing different thread holes, machining complex contours and irregular surfaces for the different equipments like vacuum degassers, sand pumps, bases, and agitator milling planes. So this is Can3 Machining Center. This is one of very important machines used during manufacturing these solid control equipments. So so you can see all these equipment, all spares and integral components, they has been processed. Some of has been processed, and some need to be processed further. So we do all this job with very precision. We don't leave any deficiency in this. We do have checkups. Once the worker has done the job, there will be quality team. They will come and they will check. They will measure every diameter. They will measure every corner, that everything is done perfect. So we are doing this job every day to maintain our quality standard very high. So you can see other components here. So there are all other components placing here. So these components are being used in different equipments like shale shaker, centrifuge, and vacuum degasser, and mud cleaners. Also in different types of pumps, and so flanges or etc. So we have all the integral components we are manufacturing here, and then we are assembling, and then we are manufacturing the full products. So you can see there is another machine here. So the name of machine is CNC lathe. So this one is CNC lathe. So we have similar machines with different parameters, with different capacity, and we can see 1, 2, 3. So they all are doing same jobs. So actually, what they do to process the integral components, and then those integral components will assemble together to make a full product. So this is the job of all these machines. So for doing the manufacturing of such solid control equipments, these are very important machines. So if some company can't have these machines, that's mean those companies need to do this job from outside. So when you are doing this job from outside, that means your budget is going to increase, and you can't ensure very good quality sometimes. And because of budget, so the end products coming up in the market will have the more price. So, but Brightway don't have this difficulty. We have all the machines here in our warehouse. We are manufacturing all the products, all the components here in our warehouse, and after that we are assembling it. We are doing all the jobs. We are doing testing. We are doing paint and sandblasting. Every job involved in the product manufacturing we are doing here. So you can see the employees working now. They are doing their job. They are making the components what they should look, what the way they should fit inside the full products. So all the workers, they are doing their jobs. You can see. So we actually have all the machines here, and right now every machine is being utilized. That's mean they are doing their job, and they have a lot of things to do, so they are not free. So that's mean they are doing very good job. So these are the boil, and these are being used for centrifuge, decanter centrifuge. So you can see the different sizes. That's mean for different capacity for the different capacity centrifuges. So this one is actually big. This one is narrower and longer. So these are being used for centrifuge. So see this component. This is just ready, and they're going to transport it to somewhere else for the further job. So these are also the part of centrifuge. These components. So other components, you can see all those components can be used in different products, and we have all these components ready. That's mean when we got the order, we have all the components in our stock. We will just assemble it, and we will deliver the products in minimum lead time. That could be between like 15 to 30 days. It's not going to be more than 30 days. But it's also depend upon the volume of projects. If the volume of project is very high, that's mean that we need more time. So, but after all, we try to accommodate the customer, the client needs, and if they have very solid deadlines, we try to accommodate with those deadline, and we do the manufacturing within the deadline. So this is because we have all things here. We have our manufacturing facility, and our supply chain is very fast. We try to do all those things very quickly. So you can see some of finished products are here. So you can see these are different centrifugal pumps, and these are the skid are some bases for the different pumps. Similarly, these are also base or skid for this centrifugal pump. This one is actually high capacity, very big capacity centrifugal pump. See, we can see all those ISO standards, all those information on those pumps. So these are actually explosion proof pumps. So these are some of pumps being ready, and will be packed very soon and delivered to customers. So all these things are ready and going to be packed very soon and going to deliver to customers. So this is actually a mud cleaner. So the job of mud cleaner is to do is to separate different solid particles with different diameters. For example, in mud cleaner, we have three equipment in one. It has shaker, that's actually three screen shakers. So in Brightway, we said BWZS103. So we have descender cones. You can see the two descender cones. We also have desilter cones, smaller cones. So these do the jobs of desiltering. So so this is all about different size of particles. So different size of particles being treated in one machine. So this is the shaker, BWZS 103 V3 screens. So you can see this is the finished product, and we can deliver to customer anytime. This is the similar products for BWZ103, also the same products. So these are the components. We can see some of ready components, and they are going to assemble very soon to make the full product. So as we can see, this one is our assembling area. So you can see all those boxes, that stainless steel boxes. Those boxes are actually for centrifuges. So so the bowl would be installed in those boxes, and the full centrifuge will be ready to deliver. So these are the skids for centrifuges. So those centrifuges can be mounted on those skids. We have finished products in our next section. We will be watching that next product. So you can see I just told the boxes. So this box is already put on the skid, and this box, and in this box there is the bowl we saw in another section. So this is the centrifuge in finalization stage. So this one is also our mud cleaner with higher capacity. As you can see, we have three descenders, and we have like 12 desilters. With 104 shaker, that means we have 4 shaker screen in this mud cleaner, 3 descenders and 12 desilters. So this is actually high capacity mud cleaner. So this one is one of our mature, very mature products, 104 shale shaker being utilized by all of the national oil and gas companies. So this is 104 shaker. So this is our double deck shaker. So this shaker actually has the two functions. The one function is the function of shaker, and the another function is the function of descender. If somebody don't want to use descender, and somebody want to save the energy, the electricity requirement, so we can use this double deck shakers. So the job of descender being done by the shaker screens in this double deck shakers. So we come to the triple deck shaker. So this shaker can do the job of three important solid control equipment. One is shale shaker, another is descender, and another is desilter. So you can save the space on the drilling site. You can save the electricity. As we have only two motors, we don't need separate pumps for descender and desilter, and we don't need separate space for descender and desilter. We can do all that job with this shaker. So this one is our this decanter centrifuge. I just explained we have different components in our different sections. So this is the ready product. You can see it's very clean, and everything looks very beautiful. So we have all the necessary components in that decanter centrifuge. So I also want to explain about this tag. So this is the tag PICC. This is the tag which says these products are be warranted by the PICC. This is the Chinese national insurance company. So all the products being exported to different parts of world, they are warranted. If anything happening, so any problem occurring, they should be solved. And Brightway will lead to solve any problem. So this is our decanter centrifuge. So this is also one of Brightway product. Where Brightway have patents for this product, and this product has gone through series of R&D, and now it's one of China's best vertical cutting dryer in the market. So, so all these products we have patents for them, we have CE certificate for them, and they meet all the industry standards. So you can see the all four sides of these products. See, everything is very beautiful, very good looking. So this is the overview of Brightway factory from my side. So can we have a look on other side? Can you please just rotate the camera just to just to just to make the people, our clients look the Brightway factory, and we have many. Sorry. So we have many finished products, different slurry separation system, different mud tanks. So all those products and solid control systems, and different. You can see that mixing skids. So actually this is very big mixing skid. So we have all those products being manufactured. They are ready and they are going to deliver to customers very soon. So we have other warehouse different jobs like painting job and also welding jobs. So all those jobs are being done in different warehouses. So this is all from my side. I hope you like my video, and I request everybody who is watching Brightway Energy channel, please subscribe the channel. And if you have any query, if you have any questions, you can approach to our YouTube channel. You can put the comment. Our team will contact you, and we will try our best to solve your problem. Thank you for your time.